The UI assistant can help you set and adjust text styles easily with the help of the text settings window. First, create a text. Next, add the text styler component to its game object. Open the text settings window by clicking on the button or by using the Tools/UI Assistant menu. A new text style was automatically created as it is mandatory for the UI Assistant's text components to work. Clicking on the gear icon will open its editor. First and foremost, reference the TMP font asset of your choice. This is an important step as text styles adapt to the active language. Next, go to the Languages tab and add the languages your project will support. The right column that reads Localized Language Name can be ignored for now. Going back to the text style, you'll notice that all languages have appeared and require you to set a font asset. In this example, English, German and Hungarian will use the same font, but Simplified Chinese requires a different one. The text styler can also be used for localization. To utilize this feature, select the Dictionary tab and create a new localization set. This will, again, list every language you've added. Any incomplete localization set will be highlighted with a warning icon. When done, select the localization set in your text styler and the text will automatically update. To change the active language, go to the Languages tab, select the language of your preference, and click on the Update Text Stylers button. To allow users to set the active language in play mode, add an option cycler to the scene with the help of the UI Assistant's prefab list. The prefab list allows you to reference and easily instantiate your frequently used UI elements from the game object menu. There's a video dedicated to it on the channel. By adding an option syncer for the language option, which is another UI Assistant feature explained in a separate video, you can easily cycle through your languages in play mode. Visit the UI Assistant's Asset Store page by following the link in the description, or watch this next video if you'd like to learn more about its features.